Hey everybody, Life's Journey here. So, hey, yeah, you're going to see a little bit of this crazy stuff like you just saw. I mean, these guys can ride, these officers. So, anyway, so, hey, this BMW, the MOA Motorrad Fest is going to be in Lebanon, and that's not Lebanon, it's Lebanon, Tennessee, just FYI out there, because I've been yelled at for that in the past. But, hey, realistically, though, that's going to happen in September. Unfortunately, I can't make it. I'll be at Whale and Wayne. But the big thing is obviously I ride a lot off-road. But if you've never ridden on-road or ever see the police do their rodeos, and you want to participate, you want to sign up, take classes, do all that stuff, this is the place to be in September if you're looking to do this type of riding. And for any of you officers out there that want to enhance your skills and stuff like that, it's a fantastic way to do it. So you're going to see, it's crazy what these guys do. These guys take the bikes. They're dragging pegs. They're almost like basically handlebars almost on the ground type of thing. So you're going to see a lot of that stuff running around here. There's going to be a little bit of a promo video at the end for this. But at the end of the day, I wanted to support the folks here because obviously there's opportunities through the MOA Foundation as well to help support, to pay for some of this training. So there's a great opportunity here that if you ride street, you want to get your skill sets, you want to do some of this rodeo stuff. Obviously, I do the off-road, and we do all the skills competition stuff for like GS Trophy off-road stuff. But these are, if you're an on-road rider and you don't ride much off-road, and I would tell you this would be a fantastic thing. You can see all these bikes. It's just crazy. They have a good time. Everybody enjoys it that shows up. I think they're planning on probably having around 100 people or more. Again, if you get out there, it's September. It's going to be nice weather. It's in Tennessee, right outside of Nashville, and it's just going to be a great event. So, again, check it out. I'll leave the web link, all this stuff in the description below. But as you can see, this is pretty crazy riding, man. I couldn't even do this. I know I'd be dumping the bike left and right, kind of like I do off-road. So, anyways, all right. Thanks a lot, folks, for watching this real short video, and, give it a shot. Put your skills up against them. Hopefully they won't write you a ticket. Talk to you later. Bye.
This year's BMW MOA Motorrad Fest in Lebanon, Tennessee brought together motor officers from across the country for a weekend of training and competition. Officers sharpened their skills on the cone course for 3 days, earning continuing education credits while also competing to see who can lay down the best times on the course. The BMW MOA covers the officers' entry and meals for the entire weekend, making this event a great way to give back to those who serve. In an effort to fund this year's event, the MOA sold raffle tickets to win a 1973 BMW R75/5 that had been restored with a police-inspired theme. In addition to the raffle tickets, the MOA sold special event t-shirts and collected donations to help feed officers for the weekend. It's a free spectator event too. Civilians can come watch, cheer on their local motor units, and even take part in the training and competition themselves. Think you could outride a motor officer? This is your place to prove it. Join us next year for MFest and show us what you've got. It's all about supporting our country's motor officers and enjoying the incredible talent of some of the best riders you'll ever see. Will we see you here next year?